Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to use the reflection ray analysis tool in Acouso. This tool allows you to quickly visualize how sound reflections may travel through your model and identify which surfaces are likely to receive the most acoustic energy. This tool can be run in both 2D and 3D views. So let's open the Level 1 3D view of our project. Then navigate to the Ray Analysis button. Open that up, and you'll be able to see the Run Reflection Analysis button here to the right side of the window. Click the Run Reflection Analysis button, and once activated, you'll be prompted to select a surface within your Revit model. So for this example, let's select the wall surface here. From this point, Acouso generates a series of acoustic rays that project perpendicular to the selected surface. These rays spread out within a conical distribution based on the cone spread angle specified in the Settings tab. The total number of rays generated is controlled by the number of rays parameter. As the rays propagate through the model, they reflect off surrounding geometry following the maximum number of reflections defined in the settings. And during this process, the analysis records which elements are hit, the order of reflections, and the distance traveled. The results are then displayed in the Reflection Schedule tab, where elements are ranked based on how frequently they are struck by reflected rays. This provides a quick way to identify surfaces that may contribute strongly to reflections, and which may benefit from acoustic treatment or material adjustments. You can also simulate a 360-degree sound source. To demonstrate this, we will set the cone spread angle to 360 degrees at an offset of 1 meter. We'll run the analysis again and select the floor. This is useful for approximating common sound sources such as loudspeakers, equipment, or people within a space. The rays will again propagate through the model, reflecting off nearby elements and updating the reflection schedule accordingly. Before running an analysis, you can adjust parameters in the Settings tab. Here you can control the number of rays, the cone spread angle, the maximum number of reflections, the maximum path length, and which model elements should be included in the analysis. These settings allow you to balance analysis detail and performance depending on the size and complexity of your project. And that's how you can use the Ray Analysis tool to quickly understand how sound reflections interact with your building model.